The sun is setting, so I apologize if the glare on my glasses is annoying. There's nothing I can do because this is the only set of lights I have, which is direct sunlight, to film this video. Say hello to Kyler, by the way. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jennie, here. Welcome to another episode of How to Keep Yourself Sane in the Middle of a Pandemic. I have officially lost it, and this is my son, Kyler, who cannot stay still. Anyways, today I have a slider recipe for you, so I will link a vlog right here that I uploaded, I guess, a few weeks ago. I don't know when this video is going up. Anyways, I uploaded a video where I made sliders in that vlog, and everybody asked where... Sorry, like I said, he's not staying still for me. Everybody asked where or how to make those. So I did link a recipe down below on how to make them, but you guys requested for me to actually make it on camera. So I did wait a while before I made it again because I know my family wouldn't want to eat sliders so close together, but I felt like 3 weeks in like real time is the proper amount of time to make the sliders again. Now, mind you, what you see me doing on camera is different from the recipe. Give me one moment. What you see me cook this time around is different from the recipe that I made the first time around. And it's only because I had ingredients in my fridge that were about to go bad, so I thought I would mix it in with the sliders. You don't have to, but I'll be honest with you, coming from a person who's already eaten the sliders and filming the intro after I've eaten the sliders, this recipe is a lot better. Like, my addition is a lot better. And yeah, so that's about it. If you want to see how I made these sliders, please keep watching. I first took a cookie sheet and I lined that with parchment paper. I then took a 12-pack of brioche buns. That I got from Costco. Like, I did not make that homemade at all. And then this is where the addition comes in. I added some sweet yellow pepper and some mushrooms. I chopped that up, and also an onion, but that was part of the original recipe. I added oil to the pan, and to that oil I added a sweet pepper, or the sweet peppers that I cut, and the chopped up onions. And while that was sauteing, I went back to my cutting board and I chopped up some old cheddar cheese. After I was done cutting the cheese, I went back to the stove. I added the mushrooms. Now, I let the mushrooms release all its juices before I added the lean ground beef. And I let that simmer on the stove until the beef released all its fat. So while doing that, I lined my buns with the cheese that I cut. When the meat was cooked, I drained all the fat off from the bottom of the pan, and then I seasoned it with salt and pepper. And then this is where the fun part comes in. I realized that there was too much meat for the amount of bun that I had, so I decided to make it a game and see how high I can stack the meat and how much I can put on the bread without the meat falling off the sides. I finally topped the burgers or the meat with the rest of the cheese that I cut, put the tops of the burgers on top of that, and then put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes, and here you go. This is the final product. And that concludes our slider video. If you want to see me cook other things, or if you have any ideas that like you guys want me to cook, please comment it down below or give me a thumbs up if you like these cooking videos. I actually enjoy making them. Anyways, that's the end of the video, like I said, so please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me on my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.